This. Oh, I think that's working. Kiduki. I feel like I'm not in front of my screen. Voila, that's better. That's better. Okay. Oh, that's...
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Hello, hello. Who is it? Who is there? Fragbird. Hello, Fragbird. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks. Not here. Doing okay. Went to lunch with 2 things and did something. What? Some work on this car. Oh. Yeah, no kidding, eh? It's like, yeah, let me do this, and then time vanish. I'm nervous today. Not sure why. Well, I know why. I want to make progress, and hopefully it will work, right? Because what could go wrong? So much stuff. I don't like my team. Maybe we need to start by looking for a new team. Oh, I need to do this. Boom. Will it work? Will it work? I don't want to hide this. Boom. Cool. Yes, CB, thank you for remembering me. We are working on n8n connector today. Excited about that. Let me share my screen. Bing. Voila. Yes, so today we are working on, well, I can go with the official one, not my fork. n8n connector. So n8n is a great low code, no code integration system where you can connect with a bunch of stuff together. n8n. Oh man, really? Really? You asked me a code? Should I have done that before, right? Where is it? Here. What can I show? Let me do something. want to show you stuff, but I should have some demo, and I don't. So let's quickly go. I guess now I could. Let me just do this and do this, and you create a new workflow. So now I could go back to this. So if we go in integration and we search for Reka, we have a nice connector, yeah. Now we could go and say, okay, cool, that's great. And there's template. Let's generate with template. So that clips. The connector does way more than that, and that's the reason why I want to add functionality. But let's just do this, and now I will be able to copy the clipboard. So now if I go in my n8n thing, I can just paste it and have everything. Cool. Let's call it clip demo. Excellent. So you have all the instruction because you can post it. So the way it works, and that's the beauty of n8n, is you have those node here. So right now that's RSS feed connector. So every time there's something new in that RSS feed, like right now in this specific context, it's a YouTube RSS feed. So each time there's a new video, that workflow will get triggered, and it will call the Reka, like here it's a node from Reka, and it will create a new clip. So let's say you have a regular video and you want to have short clip, so you could use that. So it create the clip and then wait a little bit. 10 minutes is too long, but I wanted to make sure that it was not crashing, so that's why I put 10 minutes. But then and I look for the job here. So if we open that, say, hey, like, is it ready? And it will loop through until it's ready. When it's ready, it will send you an email. That's that simple flow. So what we want to work today is, if I look at here, I'm looking for Reka Vision. I forgot how I was supposed to be able to zoom in. I had the tool, right, for zooming? Did I? I forgot what it was. Super plus? No. Oh, I forgot what it was. Super Control Z. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. And it's all, and if I click it zoom again? Really? And if I click, oh my god. Okay, how do I get out of that? Maybe I should escape? Nope. Super Control, okay. To zoom in, repeat, and Super Control Alt. Okay, boom. Ah, okay, that's cool. Otherwise, it would have been a very long stream. And sometimes it's like that, right? Woo! Freda is already trying to be the champion of today. Today's champion. Of course she's lending. She's always lending. Hey, Marcy. How are you? So let's go back to, whoop, what happened? Oh, I need to paste it. Doing good. And how is your day? Well, my day is okay. My day is okay. So yes, so Super Control Z. Cool. Is it big enough? We can go a little bit bigger. So yes, so what we work on today is this thing. Sorry, it was moving fast. So the Reka AI connector. So, oh, that's cool. It show how many download? 28, not bad. So right now you could create a clip, get a clip status. You could manage video action, manage image action, and you can ask questions. So one thing I want to do, I think we'll start by that because it's the easiest. It's in the create clip. There's now a new feature available, so I want to add those features. And also I want to add the new model. So all of that was done with Reka Vision. Reka Vision is great and super powerful with like longer video and stuff like that, but you need to upload the video. But when you just want to detect something in an image or have a description of an image or a short video, we could do it faster with the new model Edge that we just released, that Reka just released, right? So I think I want to add that and probably go and create a new thing called chat with image or something like that. So yeah, so Control Super Alt Z. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Omarchi is really well taught. I love it. Okay, so what I did is I was kind of prepared today. Is I create some issue. So I think we'll start. I think we'll start with the new rendering config and the new caption style. Those were exactly what I was telling you. Like we had more option if we open those two quickly, briefly. Here, I think resolution, we didn't have that before. So I think I will be able to add those. And I think the rest was already there. So we'll make sure that that resolution is like, if everything is there, then we're fine. The other one with the caption, now, like I was like very into it this morning, like drinking my coffee was, oh, let's do that. I brought the images, but like now when you do caption, you could decide the text color, the highlight color. So, you know, like the word you're saying is a different color. So by default it's orange, so you could pick something else. The stroke color, the tour, and the position, so it's top, middle, or bottom, you could decide where it goes. And the font family, those are the choices. So we'll have all that to add in there. So that should be easier. And then the other one will be more complex, but this should be easy. Now, one of my problem and the reason why I was nervous is this morning I didn't priorities. I was not sure again how to work on that. So yeah. So one thing we can do is I want to create a new version. So I think right now we're at 1.4. I think we go 1.5. No. What? Oh, that's Node. The release is 1.05, so let's go 0.6. We increment. So let's, for all those, the milestone will be v0.6.0. Okay, if I, maybe I don't have enough permission. Oh no. Didn't work. Okay, now it worked. Right. Yeah, these rules. Okay. So now I can go and select those two. Now that the milestone is created, I should be able to select it. Cool. So now we have this. Any of you are using n8n? I recently use it. So now every time I use Strava to collect my stuff, and you know, I work on a personal project. So now every time that there's a Strava activity, I collect the information and send it to my server. So like the application we did, the GPX my GPX activity, I forgot what it's called, the project, get all the information. So it's done automatically. Okay, so yeah, so if we go here, that's the project. I guess we need a new branch. Okay, let's start by a new branch. So let's create a new branch. We'll call it more clip option, plural options. Cool. So now if I go in clip, so by default it go into index. So that's the operation, right? You have create clip and the job status and all that, and then it will open those parameters. So in create clips here, we'll have to add more parameters. Oh, and I should like maybe more like that. Is it big enough? I can make it bigger. That should be good, right? So first we should have a look. If I go back to here, let's do a new workflow. Let's add a manual trigger. Great. So now if I add something new, let's say Reka, Reka. If I go create clip, so clip, create clip, the URL, that's good. Then the prompt, and then I had aspect ratio, max, set min, number. This I could put it because I think now there's a min and max, subtitle and templates. Okay, so if we look at our, that's what we are working on, right? assign it to myself. Yeah, so let's open the docs. Because I think now there's a min-max. Yeah, so it's 1 through 3. So we could change that. You know, so people, if there's... Hello, n8n, how are you? Nice to see you. How are you feeling, sir? So here we have the video URL, we have the prompt, we have, that's the prompt, additional field. What's happening? Oh no! Redeem in Québécois. What do you want me to say in Québécois, sir? I'm not switching fully in Québécois. Otherwise, well, I can do that, but like it would be very boring for many people, I guess. Though I'm not sure. There's not a lot of people. Anything special you want me to say? Or you just want me to switch in Québécois for a few minutes? I can do that. But then like people will be confused. I can put a timer and just agree. Salut man, super content de te voir ici. Should I go like I can speak the French Québécois even that I don't speak, like going like full in, like because the French that I speak, I think I have an accent, and it's like different. Yeah, I will go like full in. This is not really like how I speak, or maybe I will just go how I speak. Salut n8n, bien content de te voir ici. J'espère que ça va bien. Puis t'as pu te reposer. C'est weird de parler comme ça. Yeah. I was just saying like happy to see you. I hope you got some rest, and that's weird to speak like that here. Yeah, it felt definitely weird. Add field, clip, aspect ratio. So we had already the aspect ratio, max duration, min duration, number of generation. Okay. So here the default number. Is there a way to put min and max? That's like, I think there's like the French, the pure French, even the French from France, I think they have their own, kind of like derivation, like they use parking and different word in English as if it was in French. So there's the pure French that you learn at school, and then like the French that the French are speaking, there's the French that I'm speaking, and there's the French even like further with expression that I don't use, that you may found in Quebec. But I could switch to like a more, I call that my international French. And I could go slower, so maybe you will follow. So, bonjour n8n, j'espère que tu vas bien. Je suis content de te voir ici aujourd'hui. J'espère que tu as pu te reposer. C'est très étrange de parler français sur cette chaîne. I'm assuming if you know some French, you could have cut that a little bit. Where did you learn your French? At school? Like no E. Mes amis. like no E at the end. Otherwise, it's just, it implies there it's only women's. In mes amis. The French. At school long time ago, yeah. It's hard when you don't practice, right? I learned English at school, but it didn't stick. It's later when I decided, oh yeah, I want to talk and read and everything. That was hard. Okay. I don't know how to set up I had no idea why we had English at school, but now I know exactly. Same with French, exactly. But you know, you're doing it because, you know, like that's the thing that comes. I remember that, like the early school, right? When you just start school, like, you know, before 10 years old, I was just repeating whatever the teacher was saying without really understanding what it was. Hey, McNett, you landed. Awesome. And I was like, how are you? Fine, thanks you. And like, I had no idea what it means. just repeating. Yeah, and later I had like a lot of trouble. One teacher was making me speak every class in front of the class just to try to help me stop being shy. I pass because of him. Then I stopped practicing, and at some point I decided, but I was close to 30 years old when I decided, okay, no, I wanted to speak English. Try to watch cartoon and like learn English. Well, I tried to watch TV and I couldn't understand because of all the accents, the different accents. So I watched cartoons because there was no accents, or very, very few. And, you know, upgrade slowly. That was a long time ago. Wow, yeah. I was trying to, the super cool TV show back then was Prison Break and what's the other one where they make drugs? Like it's a chemistry teacher that start selling drugs. Forgot the name. I'm sure you know that one. I'm sure you watched that show because it was awesome. Okay, I forgot how to like oh, property, what? No, it's a number. How can I guess I should check with the ducks. The ducks were pretty good on that. I guess there's like a option or something like that where you limit the possibility. Options. Maybe I could just do that. But if it's a number, I guess we could do something better. Can I ask Claude? Yeah, when it's a string, I get it, that you see the options, but I'm still trying to think of that show. Forgot. Whoops, did I lost where it was subtitle? Yeah, here. in an n8n connector, I'm trying to limit the numbers that are available. It should be between 1 and 3. How can I do that? I should have read more. Type options. Oh, cool. Not sure. Well, we'll see. It will fail some. There's some validation. I wrote a blog post. That's why I write blog posts, so I could Google myself after. So, okay, let's give it a try for that. Yeah, let's just this. So we need the terminal. Even I study English, let's say, all my life, I have to say I learned a lot the last 6-7 years just trying to get immersed into it. Movie, books, no subtitle. Yeah. Exactly. Like when so these days I watch TV in English only, well, except if the show is like, let's say it's a French movie, or if it's a local TV show or something like the news, I will watch it like in French. Otherwise, I will always try to go for English. Books, same. Try to read in English. Technical stuff, it's easy. Streaming helps me to speak and like in a, you know, dynamic, unprepared, unscripted way. Because when you do video, it's easier to rehearse a little bit more. And if you're struggling saying something, then you can find workaround and like you have a structure and a plan. I'm not good with like full script, like full-fledged script, but usually I have like bullet points kind of things. I call a control improvisation. But yeah, it takes a lot of time to be comfortable and fast in a different language. I don't know how some people are like so good with so many different languages. It's amazing. Like I'm guess it's like anything. You could have a skill to start with, and after that, like it's practice, I'm guessing. So let me put that to the show notes. So let's go here, and I could go and say notes, n8n tutorial post. Because you're natively German, Magnet? I forgot. Did the show note show up? Yes, okay, cool. Now I could even do this. Oh, that's... Oh yeah, okay, show. Catalan. I know the word. Oh, really? My wife and I were looking to travel to Spain this summer, and for a different reason we decided to skip. So not this year, maybe in a few years, but we will go in Italy instead. But yeah, Spain was kind of like the top destination or country we wanted to visit. My wife was saying that like they don't appreciate much the tourist, so she was like, I prefer going somewhere else. I was like, hey, hello, how are you from YouTube? I'm reading back my blog post because I forgot how to compile the connector. Oh yeah, it's true, you need to do just not always go to Madrid. Spain is a lot bigger. What? Just not always go to. Oh yeah. No, like my wife and I, when we travel, we go like backpack and we, yeah. So I guess I could do an n8n. So I forgot. Once I have installed all the file ready to build my node, okay, so I do an npni, then I do the build, then I create a link, and after that I think I go to that other folder and I bring it, right? Hey Matrix, how are you? Oh yeah, I know. So we did that mistake when we visit Italy. We went in August because dates, like availability and stuff. Oh my god. I'm comfortable at -10 Celsius. So it was like 40 Celsius or something like that. I was melting. It was very, very uncomfortable for me. I was like, oh my god. But I didn't complain at all. But yeah, this time say, okay, let's not go full summer. So we won't go in full summer. It will still be hot, but I think I should be able to manage, except, if like the temperature are outside the usual. It could happen, right? You go and like during that week is just crazy, But yeah, we're going back to Italy. But yeah, no, of course it will be warmer than here. Today we're so Matrix. Today we are improving n8n connector. I wrote for Reka a connector for Vision AI. This is the connector. I can share that in the chat if you want. Booms. And that's a specific workflow. You could do more, but that was kind of like the reason why I start looking into this was one of my colleagues like focusing on the clipping stuff with AI, and I was I think I can make it like so like without any code people could clip automatically using AI a video. So I wrote that. But there's a new model, there are new feature and stuff like that. So we are changing the feature right now, and it's been, when did I wrote that? 20, so in January, what? This year? So just a few months ago, a million years ago, I wrote that in January and I already forgot about it. Oh my god. And if you want to practice your French, McNet, I have a French version of that blog post. Okay, so I guess we need to run those three things. But after that, I need to have n8n running, and I think I need to have n8n running in a container, I guess. I'm just messing around like that. Actually, I'm 19. Oh yeah, cool, from India. I want to build my own AI automation agency. Oh, that's nice. Oh, cool. Your best advice? So, like, I think you already have like a way more structured plan than I had at 19. So, good for you, my friend. Exactly right. It's like, what is it? Well, we code in different stuff. We move forward and things, so it's easy to, not easy, but it's kind of like set. So we focus, and it takes so much energy to focus on something. Okay, I need a dev environment, so we need to run. The way I was working before was I had, since it's a new computer, I don't have that, but I have n8n running in a container with like a map folder, and then I was copying that in there. So we need to do that again. So I guess we need to go in the self-hosted. Let's open that in a so we can Docker installation guide. Perfect. Marcy, you landed 42. I mean, I could create a. I'm. I think I go. Okay, let's create oh, I thought it was me. No, it's Groversaurus. I'm not landing. Oh, that's a cool emote, Marcy. Docker is launching sandboxes and models without containers. Oh yeah, it's confusing. I've been working since yesterday a little bit more intensively. That's hard to say. Trying to have. I want to try OpenClaw, but that beast really scared me. So I was like, hey, you know what? I have two tech that I want to use, and they are kind of like, if I mix them together, I feel more comfortable. So I was like, okay, I need to learn the sandboxes, and I need to learn OpenClaw. And there was one blog post that someone from Docker wrote about like how to set up OpenClaw, but I have so many issues. I following the blog post, it was not working, so I tried to fine tune it, and I'm mostly there. Yeah. Well, if you have nice GPU, I have a video for you in English. I published today a video. Should I spend 2 seconds sharing it? I can, right? It's my channel. What? Is it Reka AI? I think it's Reka AI. Look at that! In this video, let me share that. In this video, I do stuff, people. I do stuff. Oh, then it's not enough, I think. 8 gig is not enough. I have 12 gig and it was hard. My next video will be easier. But you can still watch it, you know, give it a like if you want. I wrote a blog post too about it. But yeah, so what this video is about is I'm running, so, and we have now a model on Hugging Face. Oh, why should I Google when I know it's here? So we release a new model on Hugging Face, and it's people like it. Like there's a lot of download. It's a 7B, but it's not yet I cannot say that word, quantized too much, so it's still heavy. The team is working right now on the Olama version, so that one I feel will be much smaller. But it's amazing for like understanding an image super fast. It beats many other models and stuff like that. And you could run it locally in a script that we have in here, and you could also run it in VLLM, but you need the plugin. So like that video explained how to use that plugin and run it locally, and you know, and then I create an app here. I think I show you this app on this stream, on this channel. So I'm using this app, plugging it to like the model and just like analyzing stuff. So you know, for example, here I say, hey, I detect, do you see a face? I just go. And next video, I think I will publish it on Thursday. It's already done. Like I was fine tuning like some description and like stuff. That one use Open Router because then you could just like, and it's super fast. It's like, you know, analyzing this to get my face took like a second. It was very fast. I didn't get any success running local AI. How can I say that? I didn't have any success working with like if you go, for example, Olama, with Olama you can learn different models, and I think right now with like the sandbox you could do that too. I don't know. We'll see how it goes with the. I know with the sandbox you can too, but I'm not expecting a lot of performance. So maybe if like it's for running during the night, then that's good. You know, the night shift. Okay, so we need a new folder. We'll create like a Docker file, and that will be our dev environment. My voice is leaving me. So let's go. I have nothing here, so let's open a new VS Code. Yeah, let's go open a new folder, and we'll go in. In demo. Is it demo? It's kind of demo. So we'll call it n8n. I did. Running even tool that connect to a socket service, but it's slow, yeah. Oh yeah, like, you know, obviously, like in the cloud, the services are running huge machine and like probably multiple machine and stuff. So obviously they have better performance, makes sense. Okay, so here we need a Docker file. So now we can go back to here, take this, bring it there. Wait. Oh Oh, maybe I can have, instead of having this, I could have like a Docker Compose file. I usually prefer Docker Compose anyway. So let's do that. If I rename this and I say Docker compose.yaml, cool, we'll call that name, and we'll say n8n dev. Okay, and let's open Claude. Oh yeah, usually we do, should I go Claude? No, let's go Claude. Boom! That's what I like. Let's give it a name. So image, and it's container underscore name. n8n dev is good. And it's America. I think it's New York, usually. Oh, perfect. Yeah, let's give it a try. Oh, I need to map a volume. Oh yeah, it's doing that, but in fact, I want to map the volume locally. So I don't want the volume. I think we want this, like that, because I want to push file into it, right? And enjoy it for a long time, McNett. Yes, indeed. Well, if you want to try it, like, have you tried Open Router? It's pretty good for that. I'm surprised that in my blog post I didn't share. Oh, maybe I did. Did I? Usually I do. French version. I think I didn't because I wanted people to use like the official community stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. So I will start my container, and I'm assuming no, I'm going here. So let's close Claude. So I'm guessing this will give us what we want. So saving this. Now let's open a terminal here, and I will keep it so we see the description. So if there's an error, we'll be able to see it. I can make that a little bit bigger. So now if I do list, we are in the good folder. So I could do Docker compose up could do a poll first. And Freda the cat landed again, obviously. Oh, no. I thought we'll be landing. Okay, so now let's give it a try. So if I do, let's go this and let's go up. Cool. Let's come here. It opened in my other window, so let's bring it here. So I can show Reka. Let's do F, B, and password. Let's use. Let's go with something I will remember. 8 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Capital letter. They're just making it. Hey, have a good end of day, Marcy. Okay. No, never. Skip. Okay. Cool. So now we have Reka. That's the official, right? Install using Node. Cool. So now what we want, so it's working. So now what we can do, instead of like having it running there, we can first stop it and we'll start it again, but in detach mode. So now it's up and running. So we can do more command. So yeah, so if we switch to this, so now, so we have our dev environment. Now we're kind of like in our control. So we need to do the n8n install, I think. Yeah, E for install, right? And after that, the run build. Okay, so npm install. I guess I should have installed an environment. I think that's what I was saying in my blog post. I should have read it. Did I? No. Oh yeah, I use NVM to have the 24 version. I should have checked that. So bad with the npm thing. So if I do node, is it dash, is it dash v or dash version or dash dash? Oh, 25. Okay, so we have the good version. So cool. So that works. So now we can do npm run build, I think it was. Nice. So now we need to create a link. Here, the npm link. So let's clear that. Now we do npm link. So now we have that. So now we need to go in the other one. But the thing is, oh, we had like all of that. That's cool. We have that. Okay. Send it. Hello? Okay. So now here we'll have to, I forgot what it was. There was some stuff. So during the build process, pay attention to the package name. Oh, oops. Well, we can always rebuild it. I forgot the name of the package. It was this. Cool. Okay, let's not forget the name of the package. So it's Reka AI, blah 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 blah. Okay, so now yeah. Okay, so now look at the custom node. So we need to go into n8n custom, but sometimes it doesn't exist. Right here it doesn't exist. So let's make a directory .n8n custom. Why don't I see it here? No. What? I think it's, no. I think I need to create, that's not what I wanted. I think I need to create it like this. I think, I'm not sure. And then I go to that folder, so cd dot cool, and oh, should I have done like a SSH to this? I'm confused. Says I need to do a npn init. Let's try that. npn init. Wait, what? Okay, now I connect npm link with the name of our stuff. So the name of our stuff was this. Can I copy it? So now I do npm link and this. Cool. It copy a package. Interesting. I think now I just need to restart the, and now I rerun it. Oh, I need, I was pushing my stuff into n8n like this. Okay, let's examine a little bit more what I did. I go in this one. So I guess I could Docker compose down. And so that's all good. So community package, I need that to be true. Right? That was not passed, right? Okay. So we need to pass this also. Okay, cool. And now I need to pass this. So instead of being dot, it will be dot n8n. So it will be custom. Oh, in fact, can I do like copy pat? Yeah, I can do copy pat. Right? And then n8n custom no module. Okay, I think I got it now. So if I restart it, oh, maybe I should give it a different name though. No. Okay. So now if we go here and the terminal is here. So now if I clear that, nope. Damn it. If I clear my terminal and I do this, Docker compose up. Now we go in our dev environment. Starting up, please wait. I should have. Oh man. I think I should have kept the dot. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. So now if I look for Reka, cool, I have it. Yeah. So now we could and if I do number of generation, oh cool, okay, it works. Okay, so let me zoom to show you. So Control Super Z. So we decided in the code that it was between 1 and 3. So if I put 1, it stay at 1. If I put 2, it stay at 2 if I go out. If I put 5, it back to 3. Though there's no error message. Like it doesn't say why. So I guess we should check in the doc how to make it so it's clearer. But functionality, it's working. That's good. Cool. So I don't know. I don't know what to search. Okay, so we can go this here. Default was 1. So I guess is, what's that node? That node was optional field. I don't know what to search. Optional field. Let's search for that. Optional field, number, min-max. Everybody landed today, except me. That's no good. No. Yeah. How do I get all those properties? Optional field. So show option type default request. References. Code standard, that's not what I want. Like, oh, there was a validating thing, but that's not what I want. I'm sure there's a way to specify the. Okay, so here. Let's ask again. Ask before it did. Yeah. Whatever. Let's try that. Otherwise, in the display name, we could say number 1 and 3. Oh, there's a hint. Okay, I like that. So let's try again. If I go to the terminal, my screen is so big. The screen is so big, I struggle to see stuff around. I will just put it a tiny little bit smaller, okay? Okay, so I need to, I guess, rebuild. I don't know if I need to copy it every time. And now I go here, and I guess I should compose down. Let's then do this. Now I could just Docker compose up. And now if we go back to our dev environment, the only thing that's annoying is if I do that all the time, maybe I don't, I mean, maybe I just restart it. I don't want to be forced to be, you know, entering this over and over. It's a pain. Even though if I enter stuff, yeah, skip, from scratch, double, manually, cool, now, boom, now Reka, create a clip, and now we do number of generation. Oh, cool. Now we have, must be between 1 and 3. Hey Stony, hello, how are you? It's been forever. Hey, I was trying to go on a specific server. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, and it was not working. So is your server down? Or did you kick me out? It's possible too. How about me? You know, I'm feeling okay. Not, I could be better. I feel like maybe I look very energetic here because I need, yeah, no, probably. I can ping you with more details on Discord after. I mean, you kicked me out or it's not working? I mean, like, it's not a priority, obviously. Ah, I love it. So it's working. Cool, so we can check this one in. That was easy. Boop, 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 boop. We just add the validation. Well, I think that's clearer, so like people won't have errors. Oh, exclude what? Oh no, yeah. Version 1. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked. Don't worry. I won't feel insulted. How dare he? Okay, so it's working. Okay, so what else? I think there was like some. That's it. Okay, so I could just, in terms of code, I think we're good. So I will bring that. What are the branches do I have here? I have no branches? No, I have develop. So let's go, I will push that into develop. Okay, so here, that's the proper thing. So I want to push this thing, and we change. What did we change? Nothing? What? Okay. Oh yeah, that's when I was lost. Okay, so here we added the hint and we added the min and max type option. That's it. So we can add this, the package lock. I mean, not now. So, no, what do you say, Copilot? So what are you working on these days? On your, I could, oh, I think, oh, did I create the button? Oh, let me try. I think, did I do it? Oh, I wanted to do it and I didn't do it. I didn't do it yet. So shout out to Stony Eagle, who's working on TV Mercy TV. Awesome solution, kind of like your own Netflix without any ads, where you could have run it on any devices and stuff. And he's streaming, working on that, and you pick the music you want, and it's awesome, super cool. Trying the thing you're running into. What? Oh. Yeah. Well, let me. If I try, do I have here the... Are you on the Google Play Store? That's awesome. I don't have the link and the connection, the password set up on this computer, so like otherwise I would have like do a quick screen. Oh, I can go on my other. Let me take 2 seconds. At least I can share with you the what's the error was saying. I think it's just it cannot connect or something like that. Whoops. Let's here app. No mercy. I was saying mercy. I was like, no, that's not. It feels wrong. So yeah. So oh, that's different. I have a new thing now where I need to select like my browser or desktop, or I need to set up something that was not there yesterday. New stuff. Look at you. You're doing a bunch of stuff. The password is easy to remember. That you gave me? Well, I put it in the... No, I have my own user now. Did you pick my user or did I create? I forgot. I have it in my password thingy. Okay, I forgot. That's the beauty of using those tools, right? It's kind of like, I don't know. Okay, I want to close this. Boom. Okay, so let's commit that. Just the change I did. Excellent. So now I can even push it, right? Cool. Oh, no. I think I was trying, I forgot why. I think I was just like looking for something, something to watch. And I was like, oh, well, I will go see what he have and have a look. But then I think that was during the weekend. But then my wife said, hey, like, I found an interesting series. Do you want to watch it with me? And I was like, yeah, sure. So we watch it. And it was not an anime because my wife doesn't watch anime. Just validating because I say don't save. I just want to make sure it was because I removed the spaces. Yeah, everything is there. Cool. Okay, so we're done with that. That's cool. So we could even create a PR, I guess. If I go here, right? That's me, but I want to see not the Mario, but me. If I do this, I want to keep the ducks, open a new tab, and like, voila, here. Let's change this by F Boucher, my user, so I see my fork. Cool, now I have more clip option. And it won't go on main, it will go on develop. And we can say oh yeah, we had also, oh, so we're not done. So for this one, I also add the resolution. I don't think we add that. What? I feel like I picked the wrong. Okay, so it was this one. Interesting. It was there before. Hey, have a good evening or good night, McNet. See ya. Nice to have you here, as usual. So I think we need to check the resolution because yeah, I don't think we had that one. So I still need to work on the resolution before I push. Okay, so let's go back here, and I'm pretty sure if we do this, we don't have resolution, so we have to add the resolution. Okay, so let's close this guy. Resolution is new, but I think we can get inspiration from the aspect ratio. So I will copy the aspect ratio. And I will bring that at the end. Oh, it needs to be in alphabetic order. Yeah. But it is resolution. Right? Yeah, resolution. Resolution. Okay, so it cannot be here apparently. So that's template. That RS, okay. So it's here. It go here. It goes here. Wow. Okay. Cool. So resolution. And let's bring the duck. I think we'll go with just what we think. So display name will be resolution, this will be resolution. Now we need the value, so those are the value. Let's go here. Okay. Right, it was resolution, that was the it's in rendering config. The 720, 720. Okay. Yeah, okay, rendering config. Maybe we can put a hint. Yeah, hint. And we put I wonder, yeah. think that's good. I want to put this here. It's not a hint, more like that, a warning. And I think for the name, I'll put the P. Whoops. Okay. So that looks good, right? Did I land? Oh no, it was again Freda. Freda, you are a cheater. I'm sure she's cheating. She land every time. It's unfair. Getting hungry. Everybody's in the corner. Okay. Okay, so you know what? I want to try without refreshing, like stopping the container. So if I do npm run build, do I need to do the link again? I don't think so. I see video resolution in the list. Yeah, you do. Do I need to do... If I do this, if I refresh, I can't escape. If I do this, do I see resolution now? I don't. Maybe I need to do the... So npm build ran, right? Yes. So now I could do the link. So now if I go here and I do again this, maybe if I do that, I don't need to, and if I do, can I do Docker Compose restart? So it didn't stop, so I shouldn't have to recreate the full environment, right? Let's try. Well, what I'm doing is way simpler than you, though. Oh, we have resolution. And it's 7p. It worked. It worked. And we don't have to put it down, so I don't have to recreate it. But now we have that. So we can pick what is our resolution. Resolution of the output video. That's good. You know, when you know what you do is super easy. Okay. This one. And we're done. That was so fast. Right, so now we have the show watermark. It was already there, right? Do we have that? No, we don't. Well, maybe we should put it back, but who would like that? maybe we should put it. I should put it, I think. But the thing is, I think show watermark is false by default, so I think I keep it out. Yeah, subtitle, we had that. Right, it's here. What else? Aspect ratio, we have that. Resolution, we have that. Caption style. That's the next part. Optional subtitle, style configuration, see below. Caption style. We pass all that. Oh my god! That would be fun because that would be fun. Okay, but that's not this one. This work item was just about those. So we're done. We're done. We can. So that was done. So we could commit this. Let's bring that back again. So if we look at the differences, so we had resolution. I think it's good. I want to do this, commit that, and I want to push it. And now I just have the song, push it really good, really. That song. Okay. Adding the details for the number of rendering and adding the resolution. Singular here. Cool. Going to develop and boom. And I wonder, so I build, if I do that, it just go to dev, right? Yeah. To develop. Cool. So now, excellent. So now I can go back here. In fact, I can go here. I could go, I want develop. Forget about that. Now I want develop. And from there I will create a new branch that will call caption features. Cool. So now I think we'll have to do a npm init though. Or npm install. Okay, and now we'll have to add all the chunk for all those new properties. Oh, it was already done? Okay, cool. Nope, not max out. Bing, bing, bada boom, multipass. Okay, so oh, we'll add so many things. It won't be fun. Right, I can delete that branch. Now if we go here, come on, maybe I will stop. And we work here. That's what we work on. And we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 feature. That's a lot of features. Can I make it easier? Can you add like a group? Okay, so assign it to myself. Okay, let's start. Desire font size. That will be a D, and it will be a number with a min and a max. So I guess we start from the one we already have. Right, we had something similar. It was at the end, right? Let's try again. Oh, because I merged in the other one. Okay. How do I do that? So from mine, I want to go develop, and I want to sync that branch. Oh, sync fork? Yeah, sync. Update that branch. Wonderful. So now if I go here, I'll be able to, I can delete that. I cannot delete, oh yeah, because I'm on it. Let's go for develop. Now we can delete that one. And now we should be able to pull. Cool. So now we have the latest of develop. Now we can make our branch. That was caption features. Cool. So now if I go back to the code, now we have this. Excellent. And I said I wanted to start with, it was the new caption style, and it was desire font size. So it's a D-E. So I copy this and desire font size A and M. So it's going here, and it's D. Cool. So now, oh, I should go from the dock just to make sure. So it's desire font size. That's our name. Can you guess what it is? Cool. For the caption, the size of the font used in the video for the caption, like what's in the dot? Subtitle font size. They use subtitle or caption? Here it's caption, but here it's subtitle. I think I will use caption, since the size of the font used for the caption, whoops, for the captions, must be, yeah, must be a value between 60 and this, and the default is 120. Let's go 60 and 120. Boom. Nope, the default, you guessed it wrong. It's this. And it's missing something, right? It's a generation config, something rendering. Right, if we look, it's rendering config caption style. Rendering config caption style. So rendering config dot caption style dot desired font size. And just like that, yeah. Cool. But I think I will wrap it up. Or it's going very well though. Oh, what do I do? You know what? I will take a short bio break, and I'll come back. What screen do I leave you here? I think I will leave you here, like on this screen. So it look like code. It doesn't look like I left, and it looked like this. I'll do a bio break. Do I have enough water? I'll pick up more water. So give me 2 minutes. Oh, do I have a BR? Be right back. I don't think I have one screen. I'll get back in not long. Okay. Oh, it's perfect. Forgot that I have a screensaver. Forgot that I have a screensaver on this computer. Oh yeah, okay, it's working. Cool. I can do a little bit more. My hair is all... Okay. So we did that one. So the next one was the text transformation. So TE, and will be options. Okay. So for that one, whoa, oh, I can do that. That's cool. So we can take from this one RST text transformation. So I will go after template. Oh, so I could take even template is smaller. And it's text transformation. And it's initial, uppercase and lowercase. Initial. Uppercase is the default. And here, it's not caption style. Is it caption style? Yeah, cool, interesting. So rendering config caption style. Rendering, no, generation config. Wait, what? No, so it's rendering. Rendering config caption style. Cool.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you?
Bonjour. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour. Bonjour. I need more voices. How are you, my friend? It's about time. I'm on my wobble stool, and I was just joking like I'm losing balance, and I lost balance. No kidding. I cannot. Well, send me your voice. You can just say bonjour. Bonjour, hi. But be aware that then Surly Dev could mess with your voice. Not me, but he can. So I guess we should give it a try before doing too many of those, right? We can do that. Let's bring the terminal. So how are you, my friend? How was your day? I was afraid of that, yeah. Well, he's usually not too bad. He could just make you repeat yourself a little bit. In a clip, busy. I hope not busy like before where you were working night and evening and everything. Wait, why did you create another one? Just this one. I want to run build. My day was okay. Published a video this morning. Hopefully, I'm not sure if it will do that nice. I don't think it's not a trending video, but I think it's a useful video. But I'm not sure. I think it could help a lot of people, but I'm not sure those people will click on it. But yeah, that's the thing. I share with the blog post and the video, and other than that, I was looking forward to try that. I was a bit nervous because I forgot how to do it, but now I'm more back into it, and I feel like, yeah, I remember. Yeah, sometimes it's crazy, and sometimes yeah. So now we do this. We go in our dev environment, and we can paste it like this. And now we can just restart it. And hopefully when we come here, and let's close this. If I go here, if I refresh, starting. Oh, I will do a little bit more, but I think 30-minute-ish, I'm starting. Okay, so we have the number of generation, we have the resolution, and now we need to add the desired font size. Desired font size. I wish there was like, you know, I feel like this is like, you know, it's a little bit sad. You know, I could put 80 and it will work. If I put 130, it doesn't let me. If I put 22, it doesn't work. Okay, so that works. And then we added text transformation. So we have uppercase, initial. What's initial? Is like just the first letter will be capitalized. Don't tell my boss though. Okay, I won't tell. That's cool. Boom! Everybody's lending except me today. Okay, so it works. So we're on a good track. So let's continue. If I keep arriving 2 hours after the start of the stream, I'm going to have to say you au revoir. Yeah, you can do that. Au revoir. Yeah, let's do more. Okay, so now it's text color, so we'll go just before, and that's, oh, that will be interesting. Is there regex validation? Oh, I could use the MCP server. Let's. Do I Google it? That's n8n. No, n8n. Optional field regex validation. Is your butt Repo public, by the way? Yep, it is. It is. So, get up. So I think in media, nope. And oh yeah, SRC and then public media. Yeah, you'll have to put it there. So, sir, that's yours. And I have this. Oh, I thought I would be able to click on it and play it, but apparently not. n8n doesn't currently have built-in regex validation. Oh. Use an external community node? I don't think so. Yeah? Is there only 2 of mine? I think, you know, there's only 2 not mine. That's great that the 2 on the 2 are from you, don't you think? I'm messing with you. Okay. Let's add.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you?
Oh yeah. I know you remember. You mentioned that at some point.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
No, they're just like the how are you and the regular. You thought you did more? I think you just gave me those 2. And I think like as options, and I thought it was interesting to have both, and I put them both in it. Okay, let's go add text color, and it's a text value. We'll start from there and we'll see how it goes. So we'll bring you down, and it's a text value, so no option. Oh, I don't have any. Okay. Then I will take this one. That's a number, but we'll change it for text. And it was text color, right? So text transformation, I need to text color, so C. So I will go here. Color, US style. What? Use color for the type? No, there's a type color? Really? Oh, that would be awesome. Oh, no way. Like, seriously? That's super cool if it's the case. So let's just do this again. And do this. I don't think I need to do the link each time. I should try that next time. And now I just need to do this. Or maybe I do. Now just restart. Maybe I just need to compile and restart. We'll do that next time. So now if I close this and refresh. So now if I go here and I say I'm adding a field, text color. Look at that! We have a text color. That's awesome. Oh, I could do this. That's super cool. Reset value, and it's white. Oh, oh, sorry for the clap. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Awesome. This is great. Cool. Do we need to add anything specific? No, I think that's good, right? So now we could do the same, but for highlight color. So H. So we come here and H. So I go here, I guess. So the value is highlight color. And by default, the color of the highlighted word text in the caption. Does that make sense? Is it clear? And the default is this. We're doing well. So the next is stroke color. So S. So M R S T U V S R T U. So stroke will go here. I think that is it. Yeah, let's make sure. Yeah. Color of the stroke around the text in the caption. And by default, it's black. Right? Yes. What else? So now the only one left. Oh no, we have also the font family. So position, that will be options. Position with options. We can take this one maybe. And position MNOP. So we'll go here. And it's position. What was it again? It's the caption style position. And its position. Subtitle position, so caption position. Right, and we have top, middle, bottom. And if I go here and just do this, excellent. Oh, what's the? I think it's bottom. Yeah. Cool. It's going well. Okay, and the last one is the font family, and it will be options again. So we can take that one. And it's F. So basically F, G, H, so it will go here. And it's font family. I will provide you the options. with, let's put it here. So banger, RoboCondense, Lato, caption font. Who landed? Sorry, Dev again? You're in fire, man. You're in fire. So why? Oh, yeah, this one doesn't fit. It needs to be an alphabetic order. Oh. Okay, C. No, B. Did I really? Caption font. Wait, what? Caption font is... No. Oh, caption font is... Okay, is one. Okay. Yeah, so obviously caption font is the... It's not the first one, but it's the second one, like that. So BC. Here, that one is the first one. I should have asked Copilot to put me that in alphabetic order. But what's the fun in that? See? We can do it. We still have a brain. Oh, did I land? No, it's 30 dev. I'm like... Pff. Okay, and the default is that one. Bibas nu. Cool. Validation behavior, unsupported key or ignore, invalid or out of range value will be ignored. Yeah. Like the UI won't let unvalid value, so. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we should have 7 caption style. 7, excellent. So let's try to... Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this. We said we just do a run build and then we refresh, right? Well, I said that. You didn't say anything. Oh. What's happening? My wife is leaving me. Okay, so we go here and we just restart the container. Let's see if our changes are part of it. And I think that will be it after. Cool, so we have that. So now, yeah, font family is here. look at that. It's a working. And if we do highlight color, wonderful. And if we do stroke color, look at that. This is amazing. Cool. It's all working. Cool. I mean, yeah. It's done. So we can push that, do a PR, keep it in brand and dev. I still need to do the other one, and then like we'll be able to like make tests and make sure everything works before merging. So I think for now, this little, though we didn't try to run it through the API, well, we can do that from develop. Do that from develop. So now we could push that. Well, it's great. It was awesome. Great stream. Wait a second. Yeah, this one, commit, push. So now we need to push. And now I could do to develop. Which one I was fixing? It was number 7. So now we can go here, look at the PR. Wait, what? Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. What did I do? I think I created PR on my repo. That's useless. Is it what I did? I think that's what I did, yeah. Yeah, no, we were not doing that. Again, okay. We want to take caption feature from my, but no. Oh yeah, but origin, like I should have, oh yeah, okay. So no, okay, so let's pull requests. Let's do it here instead. So this one, we are in F Boucher. Yeah, no, we're not doing that one. Though I like it, the text was nice. Let's take the text. Let's delete that. And now let's come here. Let's go to caption feature. And let's do contribute, pull requests, but it will be develop. So from this to this, that makes sense. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, exactly. Cool. Yeah. Great. Ah, that was good. And I think that's a wrap. That's cool. Excellent. 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 Boom. That was a good stream. Good soup. So we can wrap it up. Today, this stream was about n8n node Reka. So this Reka Vision AI integration to n8n. We're adding more functionality. The project is listed here or on the website Beyond My Cloud. The game's participant today, we have a lot of winners and only one loser, me. So Surdidev, Fred the Cats, Grovosaurus, Marcy, Mechnet, and me. So best score is Surdidev with 66. Whoop whoop. The biggest loser, it's a me, Mario or F. Bucheros. Luckiest Surdidev, no kidding. He arrived 2 hours late. First drop landed. So yeah, very happy about this stream. I was very good, very productive. I think I tried this button last stream and it didn't work, right? Yeah. So still need some love. So yeah, we'll see you on Friday, and we'll be working on the. My mic was far today. I hope the sound. Did you hear me anyway? Did you hear me, chat? We'll see you Friday. We'll be working on the Android version of our tools for the Notes bookmark. I don't sound happy. I'm just tired, man. It was like the same sentence I just finished. You said, well, you know, is it how you say that? Is it random, or it is because you were late that we were productive? I don't know. But I'm pretty sure that Friday, even if you arrive, a coincidence, that's the word I was looking for. I'm pretty sure Friday, even if you arrive on time, we won't be that productive because I'm like way over my head in that project. But I'm excited to like mess around with .NET MAUI. So maybe I should co-stream, try to have like a pro .NET MAUI. I lost all my connection, and I feel like James have so many other things to do to help me understand. It's not AI related, so yeah. Well, with all that, I will tell you, have a good week, and I will see you on Friday. And yeah, thank you for watching, being with me today. Very happy, even if some arrived late. Yeah, it happens.